Kill us. Trying not to be political. It was real. Remember, I was in the middle school.
Hey guys, and I'm back with another video, and it's me. Today, if you've seen the title of this video, I'm going to be getting my hair back to bone straight after I had curls, and these curls were very tight. I'll insert a picture when I did them. So that's what my curls look like when I did do them. This is 6-day-old curls, so now I have wavy hair. I did them with a curling wand. If you guys don't know what that looks like, it's basically a curler, but it's just straight. It's long and straight, and you just wrap your hair up in that. So I did do that, which was 6 days ago. So I brushed them out, and this is what I'm getting. Yeah. Some things you're gonna need is you're gonna need a brush. You're gonna need a comb. You're going to need a flat iron, and you're going to need, that's it, a flat iron, that's it. So, oh, and a blow dryer.
I hope you get it together.
So what I first like to do is I like to take my blow dryer. I like to blow dry my hair out just to get out like all the curls. So this is what I'm left with. I took out some of them. They don't like to come out. So you don't have to take out all of them. You don't have to get the bones straight. You don't have to get straight. We're just going to straighten this baby out. And yeah, so I'm gonna plug in my flat iron. Should have done that already, don't you think? Yeah, I don't think. We're gonna listen to some music while that thing heats up. This is my old phone, so don't mind the bat. I know. Seems like my iron is ready, so I'm not going to be talking in this part. I'm just going to be listening to music, so I'm going to put background music over. So I'm just going to show you how I flat iron. So basically, how I like to flat iron is I like to section my hair. I'm just going to show you. I'm going to stop talking. So I like to section my hair. Right. So then I like to split it. I like to take my flat iron. It's so okay guys, so I'm done straightening, and this is what the hair does look like in my closure. these flyaways, but when I go like this, my hair, it's all these little hairs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like to brush it down. Make sure everything is, you see them? I don't know if I see them, but they're so annoying. So basically, like what I like to do, I like to just finalize, make sure everything is as straight.
The brush and my Got2b glue spray, and I like to spray my brush, and then I just like to brush up my hair. That's it. It's not gonna make your hair sticky because I didn't put a lot on it. I just like to brush through it.
So if you enjoyed this video and want more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe down below and tell me what further videos you want. Hit that bell notification so every time that I post, you get a notification. What? Yeah, hit that bell notification. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye.